headers like authorization contents, like whatever authorization, X originator, or the things we are sending in headers, and then they can validate it.
Okay, code. Can you explain in code technically?
Yeah. So
the codes that are required.
yeah, suppose you want to be call in another microservices, so there is a like HTTP headers, like so in the HTTP headers, inside that you can add the X authorization and all.
Sorry,
You can add it HTTP headers there, right? In the headers dot add, you can add the headers whatever you want,
okay,
authorization. Yeah.
Yes. How, where you validate?
From our side, because whenever we are calling some microservices, though there is an endpoint, right? So every endpoint is filtered by our security configuration, right? Auto configuration, security filter auto configurations. So inside that we already define the security details. So we got token and then validate these things.
Okay. And coming to Spring REST, what are the different HTTP methods Spring REST works on?
HTTP methods, we have get, post, put, delete. These are the we are using.
Have you aware of patch as well?
Yeah, patch. Patch. Yeah, I know that we are updating the specific part of the in the request.
When we need to go with put and patch?
Specifically, suppose there is a payload and you want to be update one single entity, so in that case go with the patch. And when you want to be full entity, you want to be update, then you can go with the put.
Okay. If I want to validate the input parameters, how can I?
Yes, you can validate input parameters by we are getting the object from the request body, so you can just get it, and we are calling utility, valid utility. So there is a POJO that we are checking the validation of each and every attributes, or not each and every attribute, whatever is required mentioned in the IDD that you want to be like take care about that validation, that you can take it.
Do I have given the utility, or have you used the Spring provided one?
No, Spring forward means you mean to say annotation, right? The validated and all. No, I think so. We didn't use that.
Oh, okay.
Is like
but
the
you are
yeah, it's like is blank or something like that. No, I'm not recalling right now, but something that annotations that you can use it to validate.
Okay. What are the different ways I can auto-validate the dependencies?
By by type and by type and the yeah, by type and the name, correct, name.
By type, by name.
Yeah.
Okay. What are the different bean scopes available?
Bean scope like singleton, prototype, session, request, and yeah, that's it. Means these are the
have you worked with the scopes, all the scopes? Are you aware?
I'm just aware, but I never use it. Means like all the scope I'll define in the every bean scope, like is singleton or prototype or request or sessions.
Okay, you have not mentioned the scope.
Yeah.
Okay, but are you aware when to use the request?
Yeah. Suppose if you want to be like singleton behavior, you can mention that the scope is singleton, and when you want like the
mention singleton.
Sorry, when you want that class should be like singleton, behave as a singleton, like single object, or for the each container we want like single object, that in that case you can use singleton.
If I won't mention anything?
Sorry, if you're not mentioning, by default it's singleton.
Okay. Yeah, if I mention it as the request, what happens?
In the request scope will each in every request it will create the instances, like because we are using like HTTP request or scope of that particular request only.
Okay, if I use the prototype,
Prototype, it will create the yeah, prototype maybe like uh, mm, it will create the two object of that means the create the two type of that beans means create the two types of bean, different type of beans. Same class we have the different type of beans.
two types of things.
Yeah, means one class have the different type of beans, like you are creating two objects, right? So
Okay, when I need to go with prototype, when I need to go with the request.
Request you can go with the, suppose you want to be like a scope on that class on that request base, so in that case you can go with the request base scope.
Okay. What are the new features you are aware in Java 8?
Java 8 features like functional interface, lambda expression, streams, optional class, and yeah, that is Java 8 features.
Okay, why we need to use optional class?
Actually, optional class we are using to remove the first bilateral linked.
Sorry, I was
Yeah,
getting
yeah,
another call.
yeah,
I need to use distinct.
yeah.
If I use will it validate based on ID?
You want to be remove the like duplicates value, you can use distinct or you can use collect.to set.
Okay. If I convert a list to set list of employees
Hmm.
to set of employees,
Hmm.
the employees with the same ID will get removed.
Employee ID remove, come again, what list of employees?
I have list of employees.
Hmm.
If okay, your list of employees,
Hmm.
if two employees are having the same name, I
Okay,
treat them as same.
okay,
So I want to remove the duplicate employees which having the same name.
okay,
I want a unique set of employee names. I mean employee objects.
okay. So it can be used like the same thing that you can use distinct or to set, you can remove it.
If I use distinct, how it validates? My question. Will it validate based on the name? Where you put this condition?
um, Not condition, but it will check the IDs based on the ID. In filter you can define like get the free get
If I how it will check based on the ID? Will it know that the ID should be unique?
yeah, but when we are doing like that
How it will know?
no,
How
but
it will know?
yeah, so when you are creating the class, right? So you are adding something like object like IDs and all, and when you want like the like employee dot stream, you are doing like the based on the you want to be add something like when filter, in the filter you get the name, and you can collect dot to list to set, not distinct.
But if I'm not getting, I need to filter. What the condition I need to provide to the filter?
You can do if you want to remove the duplicates, like, so in that case you can go like employee dot, you can use method reference employee dot get name and dot collect to set.
But I don't want to only the, okay, what will it do?
Sorry.
Okay, in the filter, I need to put employee name.
Oh yeah, filter like x is equal to x dot get name.
What
predicates like true false. It will just get the values and iterating it's a true.
Oh, uh, if we two employees are having the same name, then it will return false. It
So
will return true.
you want to be this implementation by streams or like
I'm not asked the streams.
yeah.
Just
So
asked.
so we can like in this order employee class can override equals and hash code method, and you can do like equality based on the IDs, right? And then you can put we can put this into the hash set, we can get it removed.
Okay. What are fail first and fail safe iterators?
Fail fast, it will not throw the concurrent fiction exception, and fail safe, it's not like fail fast throw the concurrent fiction exception, fail safe will not throw exceptions.
Okay. Have you worked with JUnits?
Yeah. Hello. 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 Hello.
Sorry, yeah, got dropped.
Yeah, I got
To which
dropped.
layer you use the JUnits?
Sorry. Yeah.
To which layer you have written the JUnits, and what is the framework you have used?
We are using like Mockito framework.
Okay. And with oh, okay.
Yeah, repositories and all.
Sorry.
Yeah, service layer.
Okay. How you are connecting with the database?
Connecting database by properties. We are mentioning all the details, like properties, whatever you want connect to that database.
How you have created the study class?
Sorry, which one?
Are you using template or Hibernate API?
GPA. We are using GPA, Cassandra repository.